open this. Hello. Excuse me. Ooh. Let's see, we got this. Yes. That's my receipt, okay. There's the wallet. It's okay. You get out of here. Every time I'm trying to do an unboxing. Anyway, so we got this. Protective stuff. Oh, it's a pretty big wallet. Nice. Uncoated canvas, Jacquard material, and then gloved hand leather. Love this little detail for this here. I put something in here like, I don't know, cards or something. It's got the little coach printed on the metal. Nice. Little button here. Oh, there's a secret pocket here. So you put like something in here if you wanted to. Oh, and there's this pocket here as well. So there's a lot of spots you can put stuff. And then these are stuck in here. Oh my god. It looks lovely. And we got the little zipper. It goes all the way like this. Oh, it's stuffed too. Oh, and there's the care for it. Nice, so you got like a big roomy coin pouch here. A lot of card slots here. It's a very roomy wallet. It's actually bigger than I thought. I like the fabric with leather. It's nice. Rather than coated canvas, it feels more flexible. Beautiful. I'm excited to use it. Ooh. Pretty thick. It's a thick one. Oh, there's another spot I missed in here. It's pretty deep. Putting your money in. That's how deep it is. It's quite deep. Really will go down in there. So it's got glove tan on the edge and then a fabric inside. So it seems like it'd be pretty durable. It's nice. I can't wait to set this up and use it. Beautiful.